How to fix Wi-Fi adapter missing in Device Manager. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a missing Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter in Device Manager. If your network adapter isn't showing up, this method might help. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Settings, then open it. Now go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Next, look for the option that says Network Reset and click on it. If you don't see it right away, you can type Network Reset into the search bar within Settings. Once you've found it, click Reset Now, then confirm your decision when prompted. What this does is remove all your existing network adapters and reinstalls them automatically. After the reset, your PC will restart and your missing network adapter should now reappear in Device Manager. And that's it. This simple reset can often solve the issue. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and consider subscribing. That's all for the video.